May I know your full name,
My
please?
name is Kirandeep Kaur.
How may I address you?
You may call me with my first name Kiran.
Okay, Kiran, where are you from?
I belong from a small town with name is Kutri, and it is a small in the district of Lakhimpur Kheri, and basically belong from the Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, since when have you been living there?
Well, I living there since my birth, and it was a very good area, and I like it.
Okay, now let's talk about perfume. Do you use perfume?
Yes, absolutely. I use perfume because it enhances the beauty of the person, and also it make the fragrance.
Okay, when was the last time when you bought perfume?
Well, I'm a shopaholic person, and I always try to take the things which are important, and I also bought the perfume last 1 month ago in the street market.
Okay, have you ever gifted perfume to someone?
Yes, absolutely. On my friend's birthday, I gift perfume, and I also I perfume gift to my teacher.
Talk about driving.
Yes.
Do you know driving?
Well, honestly speaking, I know driving, and I learned it from the institution which is popular in my hometown.
Okay, how often do you drive?
Well, I'm a student, and I usually travel by the transport, and which are public transport. But when I was want to go somewhere, and I also want to ride, then I drive.
Okay, now let's talk about sunglasses. Do you wear sunglasses?
Yes, definitely. Sunglasses are very beautiful, are enhance the beauty of the person, and also protect our eyes from the ultraviolet rays.
Okay, when was the last time when you bought a pair of sunglasses?
Well, couple of months ago, I bought a sunglasses from the mall, and it is a very beautiful glasses, and which are popular and in the trend at that time.
Okay, now let's talk about jeans. Do you wear jeans?
Yes, definitely. I wear jeans because I feel comfortable, and they also suit on my personality.
Okay, when was the last time when you bought jeans for you?
I bought the jeans many times when I want to go for the shopping, and a couple of months ago I bought jeans from the street market.
Okay, now let's discuss about rest. Do you think taking rest is necessary for human beings?
Honestly speaking, taking rest is very necessary for human beings because it is make the relaxed person, and also it can make energetic and give the confidence to do work.
Okay, what do you normally prefer, to take short breaks or long breaks?
Well, I mostly prefer to take a short breaks because I have a very packed schedule to do work, and I am a very busy in my work, and I mostly take around 30 to 40 minutes break.
Okay, Kirandeep, this is end of your speaking part 1. Now let's move to the second section. Firstly, I will provide you a cue card topic, and you will have just 1 minute to prepare that topic. After that, you will have to speak on that topic for 2 to 3 minutes. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your cue card topic is describe a difficult thing you did. Cues are what it was, how did you complete it, why it was difficult, and how did you feel about doing it. So you have just 1 minute to prepare these two. Start speaking, Kiran.
Well, happiness does not come from by doing an easy task. The glow of the satisfaction is after come the achievement of the difficult task. And I do so many difficult tasks. And here I would like to talk about a time when I tried to do difficult thing. It was a car driving. Initially, honestly speaking, it is a very difficult task for me to learn it. But my family used to force me to do it because it is a very necessary part at that time. Moreover, I have a fear of driving, and I have not want to learn it, but the force of my family. Moreover, I plan to go abroad for my higher education, and it is a very important skill because in foreign countries people are used to car as a major transport for the migration.
Yes.
And then I decide to take a classes which is from the school, which is a very popular school. It is a modern driving school in my hometown, and they provide 28 classes of driving, and also provide a 1 day theory about the car driving. And in the first week, I'm not able to drive the car, and I face so many difficulties in the differentiation of brake and acceleration. but after their teaching way make me good in car driving. After the 3 week, I am able to drive the car and also able to handle the steering, and now my known are praised to my driving when I drive car. And at the learning of this skill, I feel very nervous, and after doing this I feel the hard work is a key of success, and I do hard work and get the success, and now I am able to drive
Okay,
the car.
now
All
please
in all,
stop. Now let's move to the third section. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What kinds of job require to be confident?
Well, if I talk about the confidence, every job require the confidence, but most of the jobs like a chef job and car driving and like a tutor job is most important, want a confidence, because if a tutor have no confidence, then how they can teach others, and they also want to encourage the confidence of our students.
Okay. Should parents teach their children to take risk?
Well, honestly speaking, parents do not teach their children to take risk, but they are asked to our student children. They can try to do many different things, and if they are face difficulty, they can try to do more, and also they encourage their inspiration toward their.
When do people need to stay focused?
Well, in every time people want to stay focused when they are doing anything, and most of the time like a car driving and in a chef works. Well, every job requires the confidence and focus, and the people who do focus on their work, they can get the success in that work.
Okay, Kirandeep. So this is enough your speaking. Thank you very